Surreal at Expo 2020, which blends mesmerizing sights and sounds in a synchronized spectacle of music, water and fire. Larger-than-life immersive walls are swept over by gushing water, which then appears to flow upwards in a gravity-defying feat of engineering. Central spirals produce roaring hydrogen flames, bright, unexpected colors. Every element, right down to splashes of water at certain moments. This is meticulously designed and choreographed in a spectacular collaboration between La-based web design designers of the Burj Khalifa fountain and Djawadi, award-winning composer of the Game of Thrones score.